This is one plant that had survived in the aquarium also. And so it survives underwater as well as above the water when the stream dries up. Now the stream has dried up. Stream bed also it is growing. That part was underwater, it's shrunken and all, and there is no soil also, there is just some rocky thing. Here there is very good topsoil and this plant has come out very well. And I couldn't get the identity of this from any expert group and all, I was waiting for it to flower. So first flower buds have started forming. We'll have to wait for another week maybe before the first flowers bloom. It's a very pretty thing, simple type of leaf structure is there. Then very nice green, pleasant bright green. Today mainly I wanted to cover this plant. This is called some Elatostema cutaneous or something like that. That correct name I'll write on the title of the video. And it's one of those rare kind of understudied species. And from what I could gather on the internet, there are anywhere between 400 to 1000 species of this Elatostema, it seems. They don't know. New ones are kept getting discovered. And it has this kind of a peculiar formation. I've seen them in laterite walls. And they require a lot of shade and all. They're very fragile and delicate. And then they grow nicely on vertical surfaces. And this is, now I come to the canopied part of the stream. A couple of days back I had come here. So in this kind of condition, moist and cool and nice, no direct harsh sunlight and all, along with this moss and all, it occurs. And that plant I showed just now outside, that's also there in this rock here. Then this species, it has some interesting features and characteristics, but since it's not much studied, not much known about it. And some parts of the world they eat this one, it seems. It's edible also. And it occurs in all over India, it seems. Though this is the first time in my life I have seen it in this west coast. I have never seen this plant before anywhere. And then it occurs in the moist parts inside the forests and in wet areas and all over India, it seems. Other than that, I couldn't find out much about it. It occurs in a wide part of the tropical world, this one and its family members, others. I'll try to have a look at a close-up and then I'll wind up this video. Some funny shape is there. Flowers are very, very tiny. I think this is the maximum I can do. So they come out like horizontal, sideways, like that. So that's one more interesting plant. And in a good location, it covers the entire wall beautifully. This is the nicest location I could find where it was at my height, where I could stand nicely and record. Then this is a huge boulder actually, and the water flows on this rock for a couple of months continuously. Now it has dried since last 10 days, and these plants have started popping up. There's one more little cluster here. Then pot of scandals, very nice one. So that is the species what I covered for the day. I think down there in these rocks and all, if one goes and searches, more may be there, more specimens. I think that seems to be the only little patch of this plant. The moss is very nice. I'll come and do a few more moss videos in due course.